Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Masroor Education Insights. Pak Studies MCQs for all type of entry test. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Masroor Education Insights. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Which Pakistani area is sandwiched between China and Indian held Kashmir? Answer is Baltistan. Next question is the capital of Gilgit-Baltistan is. Answer is Gilgit. Next question is polo game originated from Iran is the right answer. Next question is in summer season polo tournaments are held in. Answer is Gilgit-Baltistan. Question number 5. The severity of 2005 earthquake in Pakistan on Richter scale was. Answer is 7.6. Next question is when was the first Pakistani postal stamp issued? Answer is July 1948. Next question is who was the first president of Pakistan? Answer is Sikandar Mirza. Next question is who was the first commander in chief of Pakistan Army? Answer is General Frank Messervy. Next question is Rowlatt Act came into operation in. Answer is 1919. Next question is the Nehru report was published in. Answer is August 1928. Next question is India has constructed Banglar Dam on the Dash River. The right answer is Chenab. Next question is who chose the name of Pakistan? Answer is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Next question is 2010 amendment in 1973 Constitution of Pakistan is related to. Answer is powers of election commission members. Next is Jinnah, the only film on the life of Quaid-e-Azam was produced by. Answer is Jamil Dehlavi. Next question is Army Chief Qamar Javed Bajwa belongs to regiment. Answer is 16 Baloch Regiment. Next question is till now how many Chief of Army Staff of Pakistan are selected from Baloch Regiment? Answer is 4. Next question is the shortest serving governor in Sindh history is. Answer is Justice Retired Saeedur Rahman Siddiqui. Next question is Library Day is observed on. Answer is 1st May. Next question is in Dash the Shah Jahan Mosque was built during the Mughal period. Answer is Thatha. Next question is the Friendship Gate is built in the border between Pakistan and. Answer is Afghanistan. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel for more informative videos.